Welcome to LEDlight.com. This is product number 81829, a license number plate LED light. 2.5 inches light works perfectly to illuminate your license plate, to ensure compliance. Lens is made of polycarbonate, for extra durability. Great for trucks, cars, work trucks, government work vehicles, public work vehicles, big rigs, tow trucks, and any other vehicle needing license plate lighting. Housing of the LED is black, while the light itself is white. This LED is screw-mounted and has the wires coming directly out for easy installation. Operates on 10 to 30 volts. CE, FCC, and RoHS certified. Be sure to like and share this video, and subscribe today for more LEDlight.com news. Thanks for watching.